Hi friends, and welcome to Tripinn. Today we are in the USA and we're taking you on a beautiful walking tour of Boston, one of the oldest and most historic cities in America. In this video, we'll explore iconic landmarks, walk through lively streets, and end our journey with some fun nightlife. From the charm of Boston Common to the buzzing vibe of Faneuil Hall and Quincy Market, you'll get to see the real spirit of the city. So let's start this Boston tour and experience history, culture, and fun, all in one walk. Now we will start our tour with Boston Common, the oldest public park in the United States. This place has been part of Boston's history for centuries, and today it's a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the city vibe. From here, we'll begin our walk and explore some of the most iconic places in Boston.
We can go straight and see just a little bit of that street. Honestly, we need to be going the other way soon. So I don't think it'll be too much. But we can go up because that street I think is really pretty. Well, they have a lot of. Well, this is city.
Yeah, I think I can go over the bridge and then see that other green area.
Okay.
Now we will walk you through the Massachusetts State House, one of the most iconic landmarks in Boston. We are now inside the building, and you can see its grand interiors and historic design all around. This place has been the center of the state's government for over 2 centuries, and as we walk through, you can really feel the history and importance of this space.
Wonderful examples of that here, so let's go. What they realized was that we needed to build a building. The legislature was always in effort to make sure it looked grand, so we can move important things around. We come to the hall, and here's one of my favorite guys, the whole place. This fellow was a Frank, I call him Frank, it's better William Francis. This is given name. He was a junior at Harvard when the Civil War broke out. And what happened?
That's who Storrow Drive must be named after.
So, we're going to go back to
Not a bad job to be a state rep if you can get the work. They'd be working in a nice place.
Townies work inside their work. We had our official books that France was a big friend of America after the Revolution, helped us win the war. Lafayette was a very close friend and actually sort of son figure for George Washington. And then recently, like a couple of years ago, there were 4 or 5 guys from Florence. They were with this arrow behind his back, so we know it was a time of peace. A white star over his shoulder signified that we were one of the 13 original colonies. And the blue has connections with the word Massachusetts, which actually means on or about the Great Hills. Well, the only great hills in the settled part of Massachusetts, which was basically the Boston area, are called the Great Hills. And official, and they sort of use this very impressed.
Cause an interruption in the session. Yeah, it is. Yep, okay. This line is usually for them to speak there, because they have like a clause, so they have the members on. So usually they just come in one at a time. They come in one at a time. That's fine. That's fine. You come right in if you like. Come on in, you go right along the railing, take a look, you're right beneath the golden dome. Thanks, Joe.
It's beautiful.
Just set it aside to me, and I'll know which one it is. It's Dutch for the debate. Voting. I don't want to be less confusion. So let's just make sure you look more important.
Now we will walk you through Faneuil Hall, one of the most lively and historic spots in Boston. We are now inside Faneuil Hall, right here on the ground floor, where you can see small stalls and shops all around. It feels lively and full of energy, but this same building has also been the site of important meetings in history. It's interesting to see how a place with such a strong past is still so active and vibrant today. As we are here, and this location is known for its lively atmosphere, we will show you the surrounding marketplace area, where you'll find shops, street performers, and a vibrant crowd all around. And here we are at Quincy Market, one of the busiest and most exciting spots in Boston. As you walk through, you'll see rows of food stalls offering everything from quick bites to full meals from around the world. The whole place feels alive with people trying different foods, chatting and enjoying the moment. It's the kind of spot where you just slow down, grab something to eat, and soak in the atmosphere before moving on.
Okay. Will you bring me a chocolate?
Hot chocolate?